Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the KLAIYI Kinky Edges Curly Bye-Bye Knots Glueless Wig, a game changer for anyone looking for a quick and easy wig solution. This is a 7x5 pre-cut lace front wig made from 100% Brazilian human hair, featuring pre-bleached and pre-plucked details, and designed to give you that gorgeous 4C deep wave look without any hassle. Let's break down everything you need to know about this product. The KLAIYI Glueless Wig promises a hassle-free, effortless installation experience, perfect for those who want to save time without compromising on style. With a transparent 7x5 lace front, this wig boasts a preach lace that's designed to eliminate visible knots, giving you a flawless, natural look right out of the box. Plus, it comes with curly baby hairs that add to its authenticity and versatility. The deep wave pattern is another standout feature, offering a natural, curly texture that mimics the beauty of 4C hair. The wig is designed to fit most people, thanks to its adjustable straps and breathable rose neck cap, ensuring comfort all day long. Whether you're a beginner or a wig expert, the glueless design means you can install and remove it in under 30 seconds. No glue or skills required. I personally tested the wig for several days, styling it in different ways, and I must say it's incredibly user-friendly. The texture of the hair feels soft yet bouncy, and it holds its curl beautifully even after a long day. The pre-plucked hairline is a huge plus, and the pre-bleached lace really does help create an undetectable, seamless blend with your scalp. Installation? Super easy. The cap size fits comfortably, and the combs inside ensure it stays secure even if you're on the go. I didn't have to worry about any adhesive or extra tools, which is a huge bonus for those who want a quick and no-fuss option. As for pros and cons, let's break it down. Pros. Glueless installation. The no-glue feature is ideal for anyone looking to avoid the hassle of adhesives, especially for those with sensitive scalps. Pre-plucked and pre-bleached. These features save you time and effort, providing a natural, flawless look without the extra steps. Comfortable fit. The adjustable straps and breathable cap make it a comfortable wear all day. Natural curl pattern. The 4C deep wave texture looks and feels realistic, perfect for a bold, natural style. Cons, cap size. While it's designed to fit most, if you have a larger head, the medium cap might feel a bit snug. Limited color options. If you prefer a specific color or want to experiment, the product's natural color limits those choices. Now, let's talk about value for money. The KLAIYI Kinky Edges Glueless Wig is priced in the mid-range for human hair wigs. And when you consider that it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and ready to wear without glue, it offers good value. The quality of the hair itself is on par with other human hair wigs in this price bracket, but the ease of use and time-saving factors really set it apart. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other glueless wigs available at similar or slightly lower prices, but few offer the same level of ease and quality, especially with the pre-plucked, pre-bleached lace. Brands like Outre and Sensationelle offer wigs with similar features, though they may not have the same customization or curly texture that the KLAIYI wig does. In terms of build quality, the wig feels sturdy, with the lace being soft and flexible, ensuring it molds well to your scalp. I've had no issues with shedding or tangling during my tests, which speaks to the longevity of the product. The hair holds up well with a little maintenance, and I expect it to last if treated properly. Customer support for KLAIYI is responsive, and they're known for standing behind their products, offering guidance on installation and maintenance. If you're a beginner looking for a no-hassle wig that gives you a natural look and can be installed in less than a minute, this one's a winner. It's especially great for those who prefer a deep wave style and want to skip the gluing process. So does it live up to the hype? I'd say yes, especially for the convenience it offers. This wig is perfect for someone on the go or anyone looking for an easy, quick style that still looks polished. If you're after a low-maintenance, high-quality wig, I'd recommend giving this one a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description or comments below for the link to purchase. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.